Welcome to this video. My name is Chris and I'm going to take you through some new features for simulation in SOLIDWORKS 2017. Validating how your design will perform has become an integral part of the design process. Whether you are new or an advanced user, you will find SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2017 functionality delivers power and performance to help you understand your design. For this example, we are going to use an ARM-assist exoskeleton device and take a closer look at the functionality of the battery door cover. We will analyze how the side tabs perform when the battery door is completely released and if the battery cover can handle a larger than normal opening force. First, let's take a look at the battery door. We can simplify the model and use symmetry for faster results. To simulate the full release of the battery door, the tabs are pressed in about 2.5 millimeters to clear the top of the shell. Often, users will start a simulation and let it run while doing other things such as meetings or lunch. With 2017, SOLIDWORKS Simulation can automatically make decisions for you to keep the simulation running while you're busy doing other things. Of course, any decision is logged for you to review later. This new functionality keeps simulation working to have results ready when you return. First thing we notice in the results are very high stresses in the tab. With 2017, we can use stress hotspot diagnostics to understand if these stresses are real or possibly caused by the simulation setup or model simplification. In this case, we find very high stresses on the short corner where a fillet would exist in the injection molded part. This immediate feedback gives you great confidence in the next steps required to simulate this problem with greater accuracy. Also, in 2017, you will find it much easier to communicate results by interacting directly with the plot chart legend. You can quickly define how to show results in the clearest way and to highlight important findings. A better way to simulate this clip is to use a nonlinear study. With 2017, we can convert the existing static study to a new nonlinear study with a single command. This automates the process, saving time and eliminating the unintended setup differences when compared to the previous workflow. With the subscription between SOLIDWORKS Simulation and Materiality, you can directly access this online library to find more detailed material descriptions. With a quick download, you can include them in your studies. This is a great resource for getting the most realistic and accurate results. Finally, SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2017 can automatically determine the best solver to use for nonlinear problems, which means you don't need to be an expert to get the best results fast. Looking at the results from the nonlinear study, we see a more accurate representation of the stresses on the clip and have a better understanding if it requires changes. With 2017, we can easily compare the results of this study with other simulations and create images needed to communicate the differences between the functionality and compare results. This is a huge time saver. Moving back to the full enclosure assembly, we want to understand how the battery door reacts to a large opening force. Communicating these results clearly is always important, and while previous versions of SOLIDWORKS Simulation could show the results well, SOLIDWORKS 2017 introduces Simulation Display. This uses real-view graphics or PhotoView 360 rendering along with your simulation results to give you a much cleaner image result. This is a great improvement for sharing your results and communicating exactly how your product is performing. With SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2017, validating your designs, verifying and interrogating results, and communicating the details has never been easier. This means you can spend less time being an expert at simulation and more time focused on leveraging the results to optimize the performance, quality, and reliability of your design. Thank you for watching.